This is Miles here from Custom Checkout Extensions, and today we're going to go over the Rich Text Advanced field. So what this field allows you to do, it allows you to do text in different sizes. It allows you to do bold text. It allows you to do italic text. It allows you to put links. It allows you to do a list, either a numbered list or a bulleted list, and it allows you to put a button that can go to an external link. So we're going to go over first the format of this on how you have to enter it into this field. It's a little bit complex, but you should be able to get it pretty quickly. So this is basically the format. Um, you basically have brackets, and realistically, you can just copy and paste this and then paste it directly in there. But you have these brackets, and then within each bracket, uh, or within these brackets, you basically have um, individual what I'll call objects. So you have like a opening curly brace and then a closing curly brace, and then you have some stuff within each one. So on this one, this is a text field, a normal text field. Basically, this allows you, if you were to edit this, to do normal text. You can change this text alignment to be centered, the end, at the start, like left align, right align. You can change the text size and you can change what that value is. So this field is basically what is populating uh, this right here. Now, some of these on the bottom of the screen that you're on, you'll see that text alignment and text size. You'll see down here, text alignment. These are the three values you can use. Again, start as like left align, end as right align. Text size, you have multiple different sizes you can choose from, and you just have to enter that text into this field that's text size. And then value, you can put whatever you want. Bold is essentially the same format. Again, type, you just have bold there, text alignment, center. And again, you could just copy and paste this whole thing and then paste it into the field here, and then edit it as you go. So essentially that's the bold field. It's the same thing as the text field. It's just here's bold, and that's what makes the letters actually bold. Italic, same thing as the bold. You have italic as the type, and then text alignment, text size, value. The link has a few different properties. So you have this type that's link. The URL is whatever URL you want that link to go to. So in my case, I have Google. So if I click Google, it will open google.com. And so that's what this is. On this list here, you'll see it has type list, marker, bullet, and the marker you'll see you have a few. So you could do none, bullet, or a number. So that would make a numbered list versus a bulleted list. And then in the bullets, the format here is similar to the image text fields where you use that ampersand, ampersand, ampersand to essentially separate your different bullets. Lastly, the button field here, you have type button. Kind is primary. So essentially what that does, it just allows you to switch the color. This is based off of whatever you have set within your Shopify settings for kind of your theme on the checkout. But it also allows you to put a URL like Google. So if I'm over here, I can click on this and open google.com. And that will open up this URL. And then button alignment. So they have center. So right now this is centered. If I wanted to not make this be centered, I can just go on the button here and I can say, let's say I do end. So if I do end here, I can make the button go to the end. So that's button alignment. And then the value is basically your value of that. And all of those options are basically here. So really, what you could do is just copy and paste this, paste it over here, and then format it like that. If I don't want an option, and I'll pull one in the middle, the format of this is like opening curly brace, closing curly brace, and then a comma to separate the different types of text that you want to enter, or I guess buttons and links. So if I didn't want this bold text here, it doesn't show bold on the checkout editor, but it does show bold on the other one. You can just delete it. Just make sure you have that comma right there. So that's basically it. I'll do one follow-up video to this to go over editing this once you're in here, but that's basically the background of this. So if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me, support at customcheckoutextensions.com. Thanks.